Today we're tackling a really important question. Can you remove your own tooth when you're in pain? Short answer, no, you shouldn't. Trying to pull your own tooth can lead to some serious problems. First, there's a high risk of infection. Your mouth is full of bacteria, and pulling a tooth without proper sterilization can cause infections that may spread. Second, you might not be able to remove the whole tooth. Teeth have roots that extend deep into your gums and jawbone. If you only pull part of the tooth, it can break off and cause even more pain and complications. So what should you do if you're in pain? Call your dentist immediately. Tooth pain is often a sign of an underlying issue, like an infection or cavity, that needs professional treatment. Dentists have the right tools and expertise to safely remove a tooth if needed. They can also provide pain relief and treat any infections. If you're in pain, please don't try to handle it on your own. Contact your dentist as soon as possible. Your health and safety are too important to risk. Thanks for watching. And remember, take care of your teeth and they'll take care of you.